Okay. Yeah. Can you?
I'm a lit.
Can you? Yeah. This was hard. Yeah. I'm like, can you graph it? We got sine, we got cosine, we got tangent. Can you graph it? We got secant, we got cosecant, we got cotangent. It's a sine curve, start at the origin. Then you break it up into pi periods. Go down through the middle, come back up till you hit 2 pi. Cosine curve, start at the top. Then you hit the y, then you go to pi. Let's talk tangent, it can get fancy. Line like it's dancing, up and down it's fancy. Talk about the opposite, yeah, it's cotangent. The line is flipped and it still look like it's dancing. Talk about cosecant, other way it's peaking. Talk about secant, other way it's peaking. 2 behind sine, that make it change. Ever's in the front, amplitude gon' change. Got a double angle, sine 2x equals 2 sine x, cosine x. Cosine 2x equals cosine squared x minus sine squared x. Cosine 2x equals 2 cosine squared x minus 1. 2x equals 2 tan x over 1 minus tan squared x. Half angles up, yeah, they're next. Sine x over 2 equals plus or minus square root 1 minus cosine x over 2. Cosine x over 2 equals plus or minus square root 1 plus cosine x over 2. Tan x over 2 equals plus or minus square root 1 minus cosine x 1 plus cosine x. Tan x over 2 equals 1 minus cosine x over sine x. Tan x squared equals sine x over 1 plus cosine x. What's next? Product to the sum or sum to the product. You got alpha and a beta, they can solve them. Sine alpha, sine beta, cosine alpha, cosine beta, sine alpha, cosine beta, cosine alpha, sine beta. Sine of product is a traitor. Sine alpha plus sine b, sine alpha minus sine b